This is out my front door. I'm not going to the mailbox to get any mail today, I can see that. I think I'll stay in by the fire and make me a good breakfast. They're going to make me a cowboy breakfast here this morning. It's the kind of day that needs it. And finally some gravy. This is my backyard. You can hear the wind out there blowing 40-50 miles an hour. This is the north wall of the patio. It's glass. I built it that way just to keep north winds out. But it's also keeping out a layer of ice and snow and everything else. And it doesn't look like it's going to give up any. Here's pictures of what my house in the backyard looks like in the summertime.